Today I am reviewing HP OMEN 25L gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to finding the right desktop PC that can balance the needs of gaming, business, and everyday productivity, the HP OMEN 25L gaming desktop stands out as a system that is both powerful and versatile. At its core, this machine is powered by the AMD Ryzen 73700X processor, an 8-core, 16-thread CPU that operates at a base clock of 3.6 GHz and can boost all the way up to 4.4 GHz. That means you're not only getting the performance needed for modern gaming, but also the multitasking ability to handle demanding workloads like video editing, software compiling, streaming, and even running multiple applications side by side without a hiccup. Pairing that processor with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card gives you reliable gaming performance across today's most popular titles. While the GTX 1660 may not be at the very top of the GPU charts, it offers solid 1080p and even some 1440p gaming experiences with smooth frame rates. It's a great match for students and business professionals who also enjoy casual or competitive gaming in their downtime. You get clear visuals, stable performance, and the ability to play esports titles, RPGs, shooters, and more, all without stressing the system. What really sets this particular configuration apart is the upgraded memory and storage. This OMEN 25L has been expanded to a massive 64 GB of DDR4 RAM. That amount of memory is usually found in high-end content creation machines, and here it ensures that you can run dozens of browser tabs, virtual machines, heavy design software, or large datasets all at once. For gamers, it also means smoother transitions when alt-tabbing between the game, streaming software, and voice chat. For business users, it means faster response times, greater reliability, and no lag when running multiple programs simultaneously. Alongside that, the storage has been upgraded to a lightning-fast 2 TB solid-state drive. This gives you not only ample room for your games, applications, media files, and projects, but also incredibly quick boot times and near-instant load speeds. Compared to traditional hard drives, this SSD makes the entire system feel snappy and responsive, letting you jump into your workflow or your favorite game without delay. For students handling large projects or professionals storing important work files, that amount of fast storage is a major advantage. Connectivity is also well thought out with the HP OMEN 25L. You get 7 USB Type-A ports and a USB Type-C port, making it easy to plug in external drives, peripherals, VR headsets, and other accessories. There are dedicated audio jacks, an RJ45 Ethernet port for stable wired internet, plus built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless convenience. Whether you're setting this up as a wired workstation or a flexible home setup, the options are all there. The inclusion of a USB-C hub and extra accessories in the bundle adds even more utility, making this a system that's ready to handle modern devices and future needs. In terms of design, the OMEN 25L keeps a clean and modern look with its black tower build. It's not overly flashy, but it still feels premium and fits well in both professional and gaming setups. The build quality is solid, and the tower is compact enough to sit on a desk or under one without taking up too much space. The included keyboard and mouse make it a complete out-of-the-box solution, so you don't have to worry about buying extra peripherals right away. This PC runs Windows 11, which is optimized for performance, productivity, and gaming. It enhances multitasking with features like snap layouts and offers a smooth, modern interface. For gamers, Windows 11 also brings in technologies like direct storage and auto HDR, which help push gaming visuals and loading times to the next level. For students and business professionals, the improved productivity tools make daily tasks easier and more efficient. Overall, the HP OMEN 25L gaming desktop PC is a system that offers a lot of value in one package. It's fast, versatile, and well-equipped for a wide range of uses. With the Ryzen 7 processor, GTX 1660 graphics, 64 GB of RAM, and 2 TB of SSD storage, it easily handles both work and play. Whether you're a student juggling assignments and online classes, a professional needing reliability for remote work, or a gamer who wants a desktop that can deliver smooth performance, this machine checks all the boxes. It's rare to find a system that delivers this balance of speed, storage, and expandability at this level, but the HP OMEN 25L manages to do just that. It's powerful enough to grow with your needs, flexible enough to adapt to multiple use cases, and dependable enough to be the daily driver for years to come. If you're looking for a desktop that can handle business by day and gaming by night, this is a very strong choice.